If you have a water garden, but are beginning to become bored with the same old look, you may want to buy a water garden fountain. A water garden fountain is one of the best ways to take your ordinary water garden and make it even more beautiful. Water fountains can be had in a variety of different makes and models, ranging from plaster to wood to cement, and also varying in design and texture. One of the most popular, and most expensive, water garden fountains are the ones that float on the water. These fountains are ideal for water gardens that have a deep bottom, and are difficult to reach for installation. A water fountain can be bought in many different designs. By visiting a water garden supply store, you will be able to see every option that is available for you. Some of the more popular ones are animal designs. For example, a frog that has the water coming out of its mouth. If you are looking to purchase a water garden fountain, or if you are looking for information on them, you can check them out online. One of the most comprehensive sites can be seen at http://www.watergarden.com/. This site offers all of the information that you could ever need when trying to pick out the appropriate water garden fountain. You can even make purchases from this site if you come across something that catches your eyes. Water garden fountain installation can sometimes be a tricky process. If you do not purchase a simple floating fountain, which does not require a lengthy installation process, but instead opt for a stationary model, you may want to consider hiring the manufacturer or retailer to install the fountain for you.
For more such educational content, subscribe to Vishnu Consultants.